Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Jessica here. In today's video, I'm going to be flipping a coffee table.
So let's get right into it. I bought this little coffee table from my local thrift store for $2. When I was checking out, the cashier explained that one of the employees had accidentally used some harsh cleaner on the tabletop and it discolored it pretty badly. So I think that's why it was for sale for so cheap. So to sand down the tabletop, I'm going to use 120 grit sandpaper on my hand orbital sander. I'm using a higher grit sandpaper because I don't want to use anything too harsh on this top, as I was not quite sure if it was a veneer or not, but after sanding it down, it seemed to be a quality manufactured board. After getting it all sanded down, I cleaned it up a little bit to remove the dust, and now I'm going to be using this Simply White penetrating stain to give the top of this a whitewashed look. I wiped it on using a rag and then wiped away any excess. The tabletop really soaked up the stain, so I had to apply about 3 coats to get the desired look. Then I brought the table back inside and gave the entire piece a thorough cleaning using soapy water. Then I came back with clean water to remove any residue. I decided to go with this beautiful green color. This is Behr chalk paint and the color is Grecian Garland. Using a chalk paint brush, I painted the entire bottom of the table. And using a little bit smaller of a paintbrush, I painted the top edge of the tabletop. I decided just to go ahead and paint this, as sanding it with my orbital sander just wasn't really possible. And I really like the look of the edge painted. Then I applied the second coat of paint to the entire table. After the paint thoroughly dried, I came in with a little block sander and distressed the edges of the detailing. This helped give it a really nice aged look. So now to seal this piece, I am going to use this white wax sealer. It is by Waverly Inspirations. This is a water-based wax sealer. It has a white coloring to it and helps add a little bit more dimension and age look to this piece. I liberally brushed on the wax and let it sit for a few minutes and then wiped away the excess with a lint-free cloth. For the tabletop, I'm going to use this polyurethane water-based polyurethane, and I applied 3 coats of it to the tabletop. After letting that dry, the table is now complete. So just a quick reminder of what the table looked like before, and here it is now. From dark, dingy, and damaged, this coffee table is now bright and fresh with a nice shabby chic look. The tabletop has a nice light and airy peachy color to it, and it blends wonderfully with the light green color of the base. The light distressing and the whitewash of the wax sealer adds a nice aged look and helps define the details and shape of the table.
So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are not already a subscriber, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and we will see you guys in the next video.